Hello, my name is Nitish Taskar. I'm an engineer by education and director of Taskar Engineers Private Limited. We are into control panel manufacturing and fabrication for various OEMs. My past experience with finance was just to sign on the dotted line, and just like all of you, I tried to maximize the profit by improving operational efficiencies. But many issues were always there, like no cash, large borrowings from different institutions for short as well as long periods of time. After getting to know about this course, I have done the Finance for All program. My major takeaways from this course are as follows. First, detailed understanding of all financial statements and clues to correct them before any major calamity arises. This is the biggest takeaway. The way it was taught by Bagnikar sir in an amazingly simple manner has made even non-accounts person and even layman to understand what things are. Second, ample time is spent on all the issues, giving very simple examples from various industries and current sports events so that all participants get to know about the financial terminology, understanding the terminology, correct usage of this terminology, and mastering various financial statements. Thirdly, with all this knowledge, now I am able to understand my financial statements at a whole new level. I am able to ask pinpointed, sharp questions to my chartered accountant as well as my account staff so as to understand various issues that I face during reading of these statements. The program has taught me to correct various factors in the statements by relating them correctly with the activities which are happening on the shop floor inside my organization, way before they impose a great financial risk to us. I recommend all of you entrepreneurs as well as top professionals who are decision makers in their own organizations to do this course. Thank you.